folks, Zach back with Wave and MBSI Wave. I'm here in our West Chicago, Illinois warehouse to show you a Tarana and viaPhoton unboxing video. Let's dive right in. So first, let's start with our Tarana G1. We've got our base node unit, and we're all about the tower today, folks. We're gonna do residential in just a moment and some other videos, but right now we're just focused on the tower. So we have our base node here, 2.4 gigabit capacity. In the box, folks, comes our surge lug, and we just have the radio as well. So let's dive into some of these connectors, folks, real quick. I want to walk you through that. First and foremost, on the left, we have our power cable. You're going to use 8, 10, or 12 gauge for this connection, depending on how high you are on the tower. That's going to be DC power. Right here, we have two 10 gigabit SFP ports. Tarana has future-proofed this. For a second 10 gig port, you're just going to use this one 10 gig today. Super important. At the bottom of your tower at the switch, we need to have a dedicated 10 gig switch port, so be very mindful of that. Here we've got our traditional copper data input. Here's where we're going to put that important surge lug. You're going to connect that right there. We have our management interface, traditional copper interface there as well. We have a USB and all of your indicator lights here. So one of the awesome things, let's move to the mounting bracket now. One of the awesome things that Tarana did from an innovation perspective is the 5 gigahertz radio and 365 radios, same form factor. That means same mounting bracket, just one. Now you've got to order this thing separately, but in the box for the mounting bracket is going to be your two major mounting bracket elements and all of the tools that you're going to need for that. You've got your nuts, your bolts, your lock washers. You're in good shape with this super clean, neat kit. Now, let's move over to best practices for any tower install. We've got our viaPhoton Outdoor Hybrid Enclosure. And folks, this is all about bringing power, data, and the ever important surge protection to your investment. So, this device is mounted directly on a tower. They also have a rack mount option for this as well. But let's walk through this OHE device here. So essentially what we've got, we're gonna start with our trunk cable down at the bottom. This is bring all of your power elements here, your power cables, and you've got your fiber on the left here. And what we're doing is we're connecting to these SPDs, surge protection devices. So, in a typical installer, what we've seen, you've got 4 Tarana base nodes and up to 2 backhauls can be supported. So you're going to need 1 SPD per radio. And as you can see, we have plenty of real estate to grow. This thing is highly configurable and just a great device to protect your investment. You see our patch cables, our fibers are going to come to here, and then ultimately our fibers are going to go out and ultimately connect to your radios through the outside fiber cable here. Amazing technology, great innovation from Tarana. We hope you enjoy your Tarana installs with viaPhoton. We're here to help you. If you love this unboxing video, click our subscribe button and click on that bell for important reminders when I'm doing this again. Thanks, folks. Have a good one.